Hi, I'm Chris Patrol, and I'm happy to introduce the latest innovation from FLIR. This is the Scout Pro Thermal Monocular. It was designed in close collaboration with law enforcement and public safety professionals. It was designed to be simple and rugged. It features a 32-degree wide field of view for scanning large areas, as well as a 500-meter human detection range. The unit comes with a compact case, as well as two eyepieces. One is asymmetrical and can be used in either a right-hand or left-hand configuration and is used to block out ambient light. Keeping in line with simplicity, the Scout Pro only has 4 buttons. It has a power button and 3 feature buttons. The first button, the option button, is used to choose your menu. You either have zoom, brightness, or color palette. It's important to note that when working with any of these menus, that you never lose sight of the target. You maintain an unobstructed view. Additionally, the color palettes were intentionally designed for simplicity. You have white hot, black hot, heat, and sepia. Sepia is used for extended viewing time, and this will limit eye strain. The next button is the selector button. The selector button is what you use to zoom, or adjust your brightness, or choose your color palette. Finally, we have the record button. That's used with a single press to take an image, or an extended press to start video recording. The Scout Pro has an internal battery which exceeds 6 hours of operating time. You can extend that operating time by putting the unit in standby with a single press of the power button. The unit is charged through the USB-C port or alternatively through a docking station. The Scout Pro features a tripod mount for hands-free surveillance and a hard Wi-Fi switch which allows you to remain invisible to wireless networks. Speaking of connectivity, the Scout Pro comes with an app for remote video recording and streaming. This is ideal for covert observation and surveillance. We really do appreciate the close collaboration with law enforcement in developing the FLIR Scout Pro. We're excited about the enhanced capabilities and safety that this will bring to the law enforcement officers and public.